Ekurhuleni is gone. The ANC dropped heavily in Ekurhuleni. Abantu base-Ekurhuleni bazwile. So we are increasing our numbers. You saw our Tembisa rally last year. EFF is Ekurhuleni is the home of the EFF, working day and night through the leadership of Mampuru Mampuru, who is the chairperson of the EFF in this region. In 2016, these thieves of the ANC don't come back.
And last one, we are from a party. EFF is a young political party. How many registered members belong to EFF?
The last time we counted were a little over 560,000, and that was about a year, just before we went into conference. It's 6 months ago, just before we went into conference, when we elected our first leadership in Mangaung. By now, I think we're far because we've launched all the regions of KwaZulu-Natal, the 11. We've launched all the, I think it's 8 regions of